Hey guys, one more video today for you before I head home. This is another nice little surprise Southern California gem that we just got in. For little first gen Tacoma is an 04 two-wheel drive extra cab gentleman's truck, as I like to call them. These little two-wheel drive ones like this. This one's only got 69,000 original miles on it. One owner truck out of Southern California. Super duper duper clean, rust free little pickup, little 4-cylinder automatic, knee deep in brand new BF Goodrich rubber all the way around. As you can see, it is a nice, super clean, rust free undercarriage. Nice little old school drop-in Toyota bedliner. That's what Southern California clean looks like right there, in case you're wondering. Nice little set of 5-spoke Steelies. Lunar Mist Metallic. Awesome little color that Toyota made a lot of these Tacomas in. Super clean interior. Manual windows, but this one does have cruise, which is nice. A lot of these with the manual windows didn't come with cruise, but this one has cruise. No weird smells. Everything is nice and clean inside. $69,000 miles. Ice cold AC. 4 cup holders. Look at that. Every passenger gets a cup holder. Gotta love that. And you've got somewhere to put your quarters and your dimes and your nickels. Got the little 2-tiered storage compartment there. Go around to the other side here and then we'll take a peek under the hood. Again, rust free, corrosion free. California, can't you see? Sorry about that rhyme, that was pretty lame. My kids would have made fun of me for that one. Carpets, seats, upholstery, everything is super clean and in great shape. This does have a set of carpeted factory floor mats that will come with it as well that aren't here or in the truck, but we do have. Take a little peek under the hood real quick. And this has got, of course, the little 2RZFE, the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder in it. Great little motor. Listen to it run there for a second. Then stickers on all the panels, always a nice thing to have. And there you go. Awesome clean little pickup that's a hard one to find. Ready for a new home. Have a great day.